Hey guys, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today we'll be doing a little bit smaller shoes, so I can't wait to show you. I know you've all been asking and requesting for us to do a few more smaller shoes, so I'm going to be doing a 5-inch single sole heel for you today. Now we're looking at Fabulicious. Look, always in the spotlight. That's me. Or if you are going to be always in the spotlight, like a wedding or a night out, these are the shoe for you. Now Fabulicious always have blue rather than the black like the Pleasers, so they do come with their little drawstring bag as well, so you don't miss out. You do have a beautiful little blue cloth bag as well, and look, these are a nice white lip. Okay, single sole. And as I said, I know you guys have been asking for a couple of the smaller shoes, so I'll be doing them for you today. I personally am a platform girl. It's just so easy to walk in platforms, whereas you can see this heel is quite steep. So they will be perfect if you've got a night out that you're not doing a lot of walking. If you're sitting down for a nice dinner, maybe sitting down for a wedding. I think that'll be my little wedding shoe, but in the big version. They've got lots of straps as well. So they're a nice design, and a little crossover strap at the front, you can see there, and one for around your ankle as well to give you some support. You'll need it with how steep these shoes are, so we'll give it a crack today for you. And another beautiful white. White's good, it goes with everything as well. It's a very neutral colour, but it does pop a little bit. It's a nice little statement on your outfit depending on what colour you're wearing. Oh, can't forget plastic. My foot won't fit there otherwise. They are very easy to put on. Sometimes the straps can get in the way of the toe, so I just wriggle them there. And pop this around this way, and I'll put this up, make it a bit comfier, and here we are. One, and we'll undo this one as well, and we'll pop that on. And here we go. I'm excited to do some 5-inch shoes. Here we go. Make them nice and pretty. You see what I mean about this steep heel here? So we'll give it a crack. These would be perfect for a wedding. Who wants to marry this? Let me know in the comments. Do you like them? I think they're very cute. Quite easy to walk in compared to what I was expecting, especially with that steep one, but I'm still definitely all for platform. Give you a little side view just here. The white is quite gorgeous. It's nice and glossy. The straps are very cute as well. Nice thin heel. And I can't wait to take you outside. It's a beautiful day today. What's the weather like where you guys live? Let me know, leave me a little comment so I can have a read through. So bright, I'm going to need some sunglasses. Someone send me some, please. I've only got one pair, I need some more. Didn't even bring them today. Oh, they're so nice and bright. Look at them. quite easy to walk in. Got a bit of hips going. Oh, how stunning. Single sole feels different to walk in compared to the platforms, but that's okay. Still pretty comfy. I know you guys requested it, so that's why we're doing them today. They go beautifully with this dress. Now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell in the corner and you will be notified of the latest videos that we post, okay? That way you don't miss any of us girls and all of our nice reviews on these shoes. Oh, how gorgeous are they? And here we go. Voila! And there we go guys, the fabulous lip. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!